Hey everybody, just a little update. Got my load over here, got it untarped, unstrapped, all the edge protectors off of there. I had 17 straps and 2 edge protectors for every strap. I had crisscross in the front, crisscross in the back, 3 tarps. So yeah, and it's pretty hot over here. I don't know how hot it is, but it's pretty hot. So I've drank a couple bottles of water, probably should drink some more. But as soon as I got done, 2 trucks pulled up, and I went in there and let them know that I'm ready. Get this stuff off of me, and then we'll get somewhere, get cleaned up, look for another load. But for those of you that watch Big Belly, know that I rarely get a load out of Denver. So, because it's generally cheap freight, unless you're going north or east. So, shoot, wait. Sorry about swinging the camera. The bee was trying to get in the truck. Anywho, so yeah, I'll get in here. I gotta get these clothes off of me, so you guys don't mind. Don't pay attention. To my chest. I don't wear my filthy work clothes in the truck. So anyway, so that's the end of my week. That'd be a $10,650 week, and so it's $150 difference from my last one, which was $10,800. I don't know what I'm gonna do next week. I haven't got a clue. I know 4th of July is coming. So I want to make sure that I'm getting close enough to go home for 4th of July. You know, with all the craziness that's been going on. In the country, in the world, or whatever. All the illegal crap, you know. Anyway, so everybody knows without me telling them. So yeah, I want to make sure I get home for Independence Day, celebrate the independent America, because it's the greatest country in the world. Hey, you guys have a nice Thursday evening. Peace, God bless, and later.